Hi guys, and welcome to this video tutorial. So in today's video tutorial, I want to demonstrate to you guys on how to connect both your Mailchimp account and your Canva accounts together. So maybe you want to make a design on your Canva account and upload that particular design to your Mailchimp account. I am here today telling you that it's 100% possible, and I'm going to show you how to link your account together so that you can start the process as soon as possible. So the first thing that you're going to do when it comes to linking both your Canva account and your Mailchimp account together is come to where you are seeing integrations here. So the first step is ensure you are logged into your Mailchimp account. So if you are logged into the right Mailchimp account, you're going to have the same interface just like the one that you're seeing right now. Then go to the left bar where you are seeing the list of menu options. Then click on where you're seeing integration. So once you click on integration, you're going to see manage. Click on manage. So once you click on manage, you go to where we have browse apps and integration. Click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to see that we have a list of options here, but then we are not going to go through this. Okay, you see that Canva is here directly for us. So if Canva is not here, for instance, you can click here and type Canva to search for Canva. But since Canva is already here, we are going to be clicking on it directly. We're going to be clicking here. So once you click on it, then the next step is to click on connect. So once you click on connect, there's a pop-up that is going to display for us, whereby we will have to accept the terms and conditions to make sure that everything is appropriately before our account is being linked. So I need to sign into the right account. So my Gmail account is already signed in here, and that is why you are seeing this. But on your own end, if you do not create your Canva account using a Gmail account, maybe just username, email address, and password, make sure to enter the right email address and password, and you will have the same interface just like this one that you are seeing right now. So I'm going to be accepting the terms and conditions and click on allow. So once I click on allow, the setup is going to go into process, and once it is done, you see that both our main chip and also our Canva account will be connected together. And once both of them are connected together, you can see that your designs on Canva are going to be uploaded on your main chip account. So on my end here, you can see some of the designs that I have done on my Canva account. You can see those designs uploaded here automatically on my Mailchimp account. So let's say I am interested in any of this particular design, for instance, and I want to use it as a flyer in my email to send to my contact list. I can actually click on it and follow the procedure. Once I do that, immediately the email is going to be sent, and once people click on the email on their end, they are going to see the flyer. So this is just the simple guide on how to connect both your Canva and your Mailchimp accounts together. So if you gain value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'm going to make sure that I answered your question as soon as possible. And also do not forget to like and share this video with other people so that they can gain valuable information just like the one you've gotten. So thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure that you turn on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified.